This is a short video clip to demonstrate the new navigation controls for house accounts. This is mainly to help you uh, get anything relevant to house accounts from an accounting standpoint, and I'll walk through the process. So the way things work here is when you go select the house accounts tab, we no longer list all the house accounts. You do have to use a filter to locate your house account. I'm going to go and do that right now. And what you'll notice is in the results, we give you an option to manage the account. So on selecting manage accounts, you'll see a new set of action icons up here. The first one lets you edit your house account profile. And over here, you can have multiple email addresses, multiple phone numbers, um, annual finance charge. You want to mark the account as tax exempt. You want to include discounts on the account. You'd set all that up here. The next action item is to update preferences. This is when a house account wants to use the same card message, or they want to restrict the amount they spend per order. Let's say they want to spend only $70 per order, you can set that here. Should your buyer have a preferred language, they're more comfortable speaking in Spanish, you can tag that as well. The next action item is to regenerate a statement just for this specific account. You'd say regenerate statement. It lets you pick the batch based on the date range, and you can regenerate the statement. You can write off amounts on specific invoices, but this is restricted to open invoices only, and you'd enter the write-off amount here. You can add multiple notes to the house account, and you just use the new note option to go and do that. The last action item, which is most frequently used, is when you receive payments in the account, you're going to make a payment. And there are two sources of payment. One is cash, credit cards, or check. You'd use the payment option, or you'd use any available credit on the account. Like in this case, the account has zero credit, so I'm going to click on the payment icon. It goes green. I can select the invoice to which I want to apply the payment. Let's do this. Let's uncheck that. 4321. And when I say add payment, you're going to get an alert saying no invoice was selected. Why is this? Our entire accounting module works on payments being applied to open invoices. If you do not select an invoice, the amount received will be assigned as a credit on the account, and it'll show up in the credit box. So you could have a situation saying, hey, I got a payment, why is the account showing a credit? Because the invoices weren't marked or selected. So you have to go and select an open invoice. So I'm going to go and assign it to this invoice. The amounts match. Add payment. It gives you the option to pay if the customer is in the store. They're on the phone. They're paying by cash or they're paying by check. So if it is check in this case, it's going to show you you can enter a check number and make payment. If it's by telephone and they're giving you a credit card, it is going to prompt you for billing address and credit card number. You can also ignore the billing address if you choose to. And should they have a credit card on file, it will be listed here under the saved cards list, and you'd process the payment. So hopefully this change with the new navigation controls for the house accounts will make it easier for you to manage accounting. And this feature will be activated with our Friday update. Thanks for watching.